Hello everyone, our road trip going to start soon. I just top up full tank petrol. Cannot use handphone inside the petrol station, so I am shooting this video from standing outside. This is the ESO petrol station near to my house in Toa Payoh. Okay, now let's start the engine. Let's reset the odometer to 0. We're first going to cover the eastern side of Singapore. Our first stop is going to be the sunrise at East Coast. Okay, let's go. Hi everyone, today is the first day of the road trip. So I thought of starting with a sunrise. The sun rises in the east, so we came to the east of Singapore, East Coast. But today a bit late, but the sun also still haven't come. A bit cloudy today. The sunrise may not be as good as what we are expecting. The sunrise wasn't that spectacular. This is what we got. This East Coast beach is easily accessible from the city, and just beside the East Coast beach they have a East Coast Park which stretches out to 15 kilometers, filled with activities like cycle track and jog track. You can also rent a cycle. They also have a skaters park. They have a very big and popular food court called the Lagoon Food Court, and they have a few restaurants and cafes. I may do a separate video covering all the activities and happenings at the East Coast Park. Normally, beaches around the world, you could just see the land beside the beach just deserted. But here in Singapore, you can see there are huge trees near the beach. Hats off to the National Park and Singapore government for doing a good job in maintaining their national parks. You can also find picnic spot and barbecue area along the beaches like this. The only drawback with the Singapore beach is at a distance you cannot see a clear view of the sea. You could see container ships like this because historically Singapore is a very important strategic port and there are thousands of ships anchored around Singapore. I zoom in for you using my handphone. This is what you see. Not only this, Changi International Airport, which was awarded the best airport in the world for 8 consecutive years, is also located in the east. Before the pandemic, you could see flights taking off and landing every minute. Okay, this is the Nippon Cargo Airways. Air passenger traffic have very badly affected due to the pandemic. Because of cargo airlines like this, the airport is still surviving. For planning a family picnic outing and for a morning jog, you could never get a better place than this. Mostly in all my videos, I would have added background music, but for this video, the sound of the nature, the sound of the wave is more pleasant than any other music which you could get. Enjoy it naturally. If my kids were here at this time with me, they wouldn't be just standing here. They would have just go and jump into the water and have a good time. I really miss them now. welcome back. From East Coast Park, we took the coastal highway and we now came to Changi Beach. Are you looking where is the beach? Okay, the beach is over there. Now this is the Changi Coast Track. The Changi Coastal Highway was very beautiful. Got important landmarks on both the side, and the Terminal 5, the land reclamation, the newly opened Changi Dinosaur Walk. They also have one more coastal track over there. Okay, this since I was riding motorbike, I couldn't shoot. So later one day I will plan a walk trip along the Changi Coastal Highway and I will cover all the shoot. Okay. Singapore is surrounded by many tiny small islands and every island got its beach of its own. In a separate video we will cover all the beaches, total 15 beaches. The distant island over there is Pulau Ubin. Pulau Ubin is a Singapore island also. Pulau Ubin is just the same as how Singapore was in 1960s. It's a fishing island, it's a fishing village. They purposely kept it undeveloped because for tourist attraction. One day we will plan a trip to Pulau Ubin. Okay? This island is Tekong Island. I don't know what they have in Tekong Island. If it is interesting, maybe we can plan one trip to Tekong Island also. And this far line over there, that one is Johor, the state of Johor in Malaysia. It's Pengerang. They have a very big oil refinery. I will zoom in for you, take a look. They have a very big oil refinery over here. Actually in this region, only Singapore had a very big oil refinery. And this Malaysian oil refinery was opened to compete with Singapore. Right after the oil refinery was opened in that state, in Bandar Penawar, the province, the property value just boomed, skyrocketed. If you had money, you could have invested in property, but the thing is, we don't have. The distance, can you see the two towers? The two towers belongs to the Johor River Bridge. When I shoot the video at that moment, I couldn't see the two tower because of the sunlight. Only while editing, I noticed it. I didn't expect I would be able to see the tower from that point. The tower is the bridge is the longest bridge across river in Malaysia, extending for 1.7 kilometers. Okay, now let me zoom in Pulau Ubin for you. One day we shall definitely plan a trip to Pulau Ubin. The camera is a bit shaky because of the zooming in. I really love to go in a ship or even see a ship sailing by. If you are too with me, enjoy the video. The beauty of Singapore is at one end you will see natural wonder, at other end you will see man-made wonders. Singapore have very well managed to keep both blended together. This is Changi Beach. Changi Beach is Singapore's longest beach, extending to 3.3 kilometers. It seems to be a more ideal beach than the East Coast Beach because the number of container ships is quite less when compared to that beach. Since the Changi airport is quite close, by law you are prohibited from doing any of these. Even in this Changi Beach Park, they have a cycle track and a jogging track. You can also plan a family picnic outing over here. Even the concept of the trees planted over here is quite different. The trees, the theme over here look like pine tree. I'm not sure about the name of the tree. If you know, please comment in the comment section. I need lots of photos and videos since I'm doing YouTube, but I cannot download from Google because of copyright issue. So wherever I go, I try to take my own stock videos and stock photos. You can see more of these photos in Instagram and Facebook. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any comments, please feel free to put in the comment section. And if you want to watch this video in Tamil version or share with your Tamil friends, the link is in the description and in the comment area. Don't forget to watch the other episodes. Thank you.